Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Wagwan, YouTube family. Welcome to Briscoe's Kitchen. And this YouTube channel, I'm gonna teach you how to cook traditional Jamaican food. Yeah, man, real traditional Jamaican food. I'm gonna teach you how to cook a lot of healthy food. Cause that's the journey we going now to healthy eating. So today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a quick and easy, simple smoothie in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all my ingredients I'm using right now. So these are my ingredients. I have some oats. I have one ripe banana cut up. I have some raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry. And I have some strawberries. And I have some milk here. I'm gonna go now and start my blending process. In my blender, I'm gonna throw roughly half a cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. Gonna add my ripe banana. Add in my strawberries. My raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry. Add my oats. Going to blend. So this is how my smoothie look when it finish. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Peace out.